Hi everybody. All right, so ready? Shane's gonna do a countdown and I'm gonna tell you what's going on. Go ahead, Shane.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys hear that? You guys didn't, because the smoke detectors are now changed. All of them. High five, Shane. All right. So now when we do these videos, you guys are not going to hear it. That is so crazy that I lived like this for the last 2 years with one of them beeping all the time. And then I have 3 of them beeping out of what, 7. So that was not good, you guys. Make sure you guys change them. But now you guys don't hear them. So, all right. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.